Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about federal child pornography charges commonly prosecuted under 18 United States Code 2252 and similar type federal statutes. Now, many times what we see when defending people who are accused of committing these violations of federal statute involving child pornography are situations where, the FBI or some federal government agency may be sort of in these chat rooms or checking to see who's distributing, who's asking for, who's receiving child pornography. And they'll get a warrant and the feds will come to your house and they'll take your computer, they'll take your phone, they'll take everything under the sun. And what is most important to remember about what you need to do to protect yourself is, first and foremost, listen, if you find yourself in this situation where you are attracted to these types of images, there are people out there who could help, right? There are people out there who could help you, and hopefully you could get the help that you need before being subjected to federal or state criminal charges, right? And we could be a resource for that at my firm as well, to give you a referral to a forensic psychologist to talk to who could help you with that, okay? But if you find yourself in a situation where the feds are at your house, they're searching through your computer, a lot of times what they'll ask you is, well, who else had access to this computer? Who else had access to the phone? Were you the one on the computer at 12:45 in the morning last Monday? And the best thing you could do, whether it's the case like this involving federal child pornography charges, or whether it's the complete opposite, whatever the polar opposite would be in state court, keep your mouth closed. Utilize your right against and your privilege against self-incrimination. Don't talk. There's no benefit in talking, because many times what we see people do when charged with federal crimes like this is they try and talk their way out of it. But what they wind up doing is confirming that, no one else had access to my laptop. Well, then you're going to be on the hook then for anything that was found on that laptop. And, I never leave my laptop. No one else has a password to my laptop. You're closing doors to defenses. And that's problematic, especially when you're in federal court on these child pornography charges, because there comes with it mandatory minimum sentences. And federal court is no place to be for many offenses. Certainly, child pornography offenses is not the exception. In fact, it is the epitome of a place you do not want to be, that being federal court when accused of possessing, distributing, or even worse, producing and directing and organizing child pornography in general, let alone things involving extremely young children. So keep these things in mind. If you find yourself or a loved one is charged with this, keep your mouth closed. You don't have to corroborate anything. You don't have to confirm anything. There may come a time and a place for you to express your remorse. There may come a time and a place for you to apologize to all those you may have affected. First thing you need to be doing is making sure you reach out and hire a quality, locally experienced criminal defense firm, whether it's mine or a very small handful of others out there that could represent you at a very high level, especially when you have so much at stake, like when you're charged with federal child pornography offenses. We can be reached at 619-295-3555. Again, my name is David Shapiro. I'm a San Diego criminal lawyer.